What's up guys, it's me Jimmy Agik. So hey, the colon DIY manual. Yes, you heard me right, the DIY manual. This book is so amazing that everyone should have this DIY manual in their home. There is no excuse, there is no reason why you should not have this DIY manual in the home. Everyone should have this DIY manual in the home because it's such an amazing book. I mean, I give 9.5 out of 10. I enjoy this book a lot, just as a reference guide whenever I am doing some like minor construction work in my home. I mean, I think every man, every woman should have enough knowledge to do minor construction in their home, minor renovation in their home. There absolutely no doubt. I mean, I don't see a reason why you should not have the knowledge. You should really have the knowledge, and you are going to love this book a lot because the book is literally amazing. I don't know how to put. I mean, there are literally too many things, which is good thing. Again, I use as a guidebook, I use as a reference book. I really enjoy this book a lot. If you're thinking to build a house, again you have some drainage problem, plumbing problem, you wanna repair the tiles, you wanna take out the wooden floor, you wanna repair something, this is your book. This is your book. I enjoy the book a lot. I'm not a fan who just like to write everything which is good. I'm a very critical critic. I love criticizing. I feel happy when I criticize something. This book hardly I can criticize. Literally the only thing I can see, like, not a perfect, and I wish there was like little text, more images, but again we need text for the instruction. Yeah, other than that, I mean, this book literally like cover everything which you have to ever know for DIY. I mean, do it yourself repair. I mean, and then you are going to love this book a lot. This book is such a masterpiece. I mean, this book is such an amazing masterpiece. You just are going to love this book. I mean, amazingly beautiful book. There are so many pages. I mean, this book everyone should have in their home. There's no doubt, there's no excuse why you should overlook this book, and then you really have to enjoy this book because this book is such an amazing book, to be honest with you. I mean, there's so many, even have some like electrical wiring. I mean, which is good thing. Again, when you're dealing with electricity, you need to be very careful. It's not a joke, you can be killed, so you need to be very careful what you're dealing with. Other than that, I don't see any downside to the book. It's an amazing book. It's an amazingly beautiful written book, and then you will love this book with the bottom of your heart. I mean, I love this book so much that I was showing you and doing my review. I'm a huge fan of this book, to be honest, but everyone should have this book in their home, in their library. I mean, I'm thinking to donate this. I'm thinking to buy like 5 or 6 copies at least, because shipping is gonna be expensive, because I wanna send to East African primary and secondary school. You know, Malawi, a country, there was a boy who built the turbo electricity from a wind farm. Yeah, I mean, he just did the I think dynamic energy, some that kind of book. I wish, I mean, in African countries, especially developed African country, or mostly African countries are good enough, to be honest with you, they are already developed, but there are a lot of areas, city, villages, where schools are a little bit like not enough finance to get new books. Maybe some student can benefit from my books. I'm literally thinking, do not have one thing. Giving money is good, but giving food is good. Give them these kind of books. Donate this kind of books in school, primary school, secondary school, and university in like developing countries, or where people are poor. I mean, literally they can benefit a lot from this. I mean, this book. So yeah, it was me, none other than Jimmy Agik. Make sure to subscribe, and bye.
ولا أقوى على نار الجحيم الله فهب لي